This is Mary and Glen's adventure. We just wanted to come by and say hi, introduce ourselves. We started this venture in December after Glen got me a GoPro, which I had no idea what it was, but we are learning and we're having a lot of fun doing it. We have made a handful of videos. The first time we used it was when we went to Atlantic City to see all the Christmas lights and the casinos and the Irish pub. But Glen is going to be going into his office, into the man cave production, so we will say goodbye to him right now, and then I'll just talk to you for a moment, okay? Hi, I am back. I just wanted to come and say hi, and hopefully we will be welcomed into this community of over 60. How we got started is that I love everything on YouTube, how to learn to do different things, cooking, we go cruising, and a lot of times what happens is we'll go on a cruise and we don't remember anything about the excursion that we did. It's in a picture, but where is the picture? So I told Glen, I said, you know, I really would like to make a video, maybe put it on YouTube for us, just for the memories, and he said, go ahead. So I started on my phone, and because I have so many other videos and pictures, I ran out of space. So that's why he got me the GoPro, and I had no idea what it was. I'm saying, if you can watch the video, I'm like, oh, gadgets, what's going on? I don't know what it was. So we have been using this for a good month, and I am obsessed. I love it. So I have watched a lot of other influencers. Kevin Colby, he has helped me a whole lot, and just to learn how to do videos and how to start. So I'm gonna do a basic how-to video myself on how I do YouTube, so hopefully I can help somebody. But we are going to be going this weekend camping over 60. So I love watching everybody's videos, how they comment on each other, and so I hope we can be involved in that too, because it's really a lot of fun for us right now. So we went on an Alaskan cruise last year, and we had been on 2 other Alaskan cruises out of Seattle. So this year we decided to go out of San Francisco. So neither one of us had been there before, and because of YouTube, I was able to watch videos, what restaurants to go to, where to go sightseeing, and that really helped a lot because we had so much fun and we had a lot of information on the way. So we knew what to do and not to waste any time, because it was just a lot to do and a lot to see. So for Valentine's Day, I am going to post a video on a great menu that I think that you would love. So I hope you can join us for that. Another trip that we have planned in February, we will be going to Sanford, Florida, and it's called Porch Fest. And if you've never been to Sanford, it's a quaint little town. It's right on the water, like a lake, and there's a lot to do, a lot of great restaurants there, but people open their homes in the front of their house on the porch, and bands come and they play, and there's a lot of activities that you can do. There's crafts. We've never been there before, but I have seen videos on YouTube, so we're excited about that. It's the last Saturday in February every year, so we will be doing that. So I hope that you will like and subscribe so we can get involved in this community and just be able to start talking back and forth and just to have a lot of fun. I am really enjoying everything that we've done on YouTube. We do have a handful of videos. Some of them are cooking, some of them are walking around in our community with the dog, Gracie Joe. And we are going to be posting a video from Christmas when I got more items for the GoPro. So I haven't really even looked at them because I've just been learning all about how to do edits. We use CapCut, which is nice. So hopefully we will see everybody soon. Like I said, this weekend we are going to be going to go camping. KOA. We do live in Florida, so we're excited about that. We are going to be staying in a cabin, and some of my childhood friends are down visiting with us. We do live in Florida, so they'll be here for another week or so, and they have a RV that you drive, so I'll be able to do a tour on that. I'll do a tour on the campground, the cabin, everything involved, in case if you're ever around in this area that if you like what you see, you can go visit. And of course they do have tent areas that if you want to just pack up your stuff and just stay in a tent, or you can do an RV or a cabin. And dogs are allowed, which is nice. So thank you so much for joining us. Please take a moment and like, subscribe, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody very soon. Thank you so much. Have a great night.